Hello children, welcome to maths class. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 11, money. Children, you know what is money. You have seen what is money. What is the use of money also? You may be knowing that to buy things you need money, isn't it? Because if you want to eat a chocolate also, you need to give money to the shopkeeper, right? Okay, so for our daily needs we have to buy various things from the market, right? For buying things we have to pay money to the shopkeepers, isn't it? So without money we are not going to get anything. So money has got its own importance and its own value, isn't it? So you need to know what is money and what is the value of money, how you should spend money, how you should save money. Everything you should learn from this chapter. Alright children? Okay. So from this chapter, that is, you please take out page number 143. There it is written notes and coins. Okay, from the chapter let me explain little bit. Alright children? Okay. Radha went to the market with her mother to buy some fruits. There she saw her mother giving some coins and notes in exchange for things she bought. If we want to buy anything, we need money. Indian currency is found in the form of rupees and paisa. In short, rupees is written as RS. Okay, in short, rupees is written as RS and paisa is written as P. Alright? And Indian currency is in the form of rupees and paisa. I told you. Rupees is denoted by the symbol, by this symbol. Okay, in India we write this symbol for rupees and we write the symbol P for paisa. Alright children? Okay, now let us see that Indian currency is found in the form of rupees and coins, isn't it? Money is used both in the form of coins and notes in our country. In India, we have coins of, what are the coins we have in India? So these are the coins in use in India, that is 50 paisa coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupee coins. Alright children? Okay. Now here I want to tell you one thing, that 50 paisa, this is how many 50 paisa coins? 150 paisa coin. If there is 250 paisa coins, what will be the value of the money? It will be 1 rupee. Right children? Okay. Now if there is 2 1 rupee, this is 1 rupee note, isn't it? If there is 2 1 rupee note, what will be the value of that money? 1 plus 1 will be 2. Alright, that will be 2 rupees. Alright, now this is 1 5 rupee coin, and if you have got 2 5 rupee coin, what is the value of money you have? You have 10 rupees, isn't it? That means 2 5 rupees is equal to 110 rupee. Alright, and 250 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. Alright children? Okay, so as I told you, these are the coins in circulation in India. Alright, now these are the notes in circulation. Okay, the different notes in use are 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupee notes. This is new 50 rupee note. This is also 50 rupee note, and this is 100 rupee note. Alright children, besides this, there are also some more new notes introduced in India. Those are 2000 rupee note, alright, 500 rupee note, okay children. Then this is 200 rupee note, this is 100 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 20 rupee note, this is 10 rupee note, 5 rupee note, and 1 rupee note. This is 1 rupee note, alright. The down one is 1 rupee note, alright children. Okay, now see, this is 5 rupee note and this is 10 rupee. 2 5 rupee. If you have 2 5 rupee notes, how much money you have? You have 10 rupees, right? Okay. In the same way, if you have 2 50 rupee notes, how much money you will have? You will have 100 rupee note. You will have 100 rupees. Okay, children? So, in the same way, if you have 2 500 rupee notes, how much you will have money? You will have 1000. Isn't it? So, these are the different coins and notes in circulation in India. I have shown it to you. Alright children. So this is suppose here you see 50 rupee. These 250 rupee notes will make how much? 100 rupee note. Alright. If you have 220 rupee notes, how much it will be? It will be 40 rupees. Alright. Okay. Now these are the coins and notes in circulation in India, and I am very sure you have seen these notes and coins at your home, okay, with your parents. Alright. Now these are the coins which you might not have seen, isn't it? Have you seen these coins at your home? I think you might not have seen. Okay, because why you have not seen is because these coins are not in use now. Okay, actually this part is not in your book, but I just wanted to show it to you so that you should also know the old coins. Okay, this is 2 paisa coin, 1 paisa coin, 5 paisa coin, 3 paisa coin. Have seen it? 10 paisa coin. See, this is also another 10 paisa. This is different kind of 10 paisa coin. See, don't think this is 10 rupees. Okay, this is 10 paisa. 10 paisa. This is also 10 paisa. 10 paisa. See, this is also 10 paisa. This is not shown, but how much the value is not shown. This is 20 paisa. This is 25 paisa coin. Okay, this is again 20 paisa coin. This is 1/4. 1/4 means 25 paisa. 1/4 is 25 paisa. Okay, this is half. Half means 50 paisa. So these are the coins used by our forefathers. Okay, used by our forefathers, by our parents. Okay, which you have not seen. Alright, that's why I have collected it for you to see. Okay, children. Okay, so today I am not going to discuss more about the chapter. Today I have given only a brief idea. I have given you the introduction of the chapter. Tomorrow we will be doing counting of money. Alright children, counting, how to count little bit I have shown today also. Tomorrow I will be showing in detail how to count money. Alright children. So, what did you learn today? You learned that for our daily needs, we have to buy various things from the market, and for buying things, we have to pay money to the shopkeepers. That is why money is very important. So, we should know how to spend money, how to save money, okay, how to identify money. Alright children? Okay, these are the things that we have learned today. We also learned that Indian currency is in the form of rupees and paisa. Okay? Okay. Students, only this much for today's class. Again, in our next class, I'll be teaching you some interesting topic. So till then, have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care of yourself, children. Okay.